o la ungoa Mataese Luatua, lo te maa Luatua popo, lo te nao sini wen Luatua, tu whawhingo te walai Luatua, ma pepe Luatua, a oso lau sā, le ui o sā, o lo nganga Luatua. Ia so mo maulai titi le whai, so aunty le o Falesaitu te walai, i o le ngalo oe, ia whaftai lava aunty ma lo alofa ma lo anga le leia mātou, o hasonga so amamua ma tula titi. Hawa ngofo i o Kingsalani, tau singa mātou ma usu ma ku whawhinge i whaftai te le lava ma lo alofa aunty. Ia, vea tulau lava, ia velo leo whaima sui au wale, o uso ma tuangangi ma o ma ku whawhingo tatu ma futa lene tula. Yeah, I just want to say thank the Lord and I praise the Lord and give him all the glory. 1 Corinthians 10:31 says, whatever we do, whether we meet, whether we eat, whether we greet, we do it all to the glory of God. And I just want to thank the Lord for our family. We're a small family, but as I was saying to some of the cousins the other day, our family is massive now, and a lot of us don't know each other that well. And, you know, in hindsight, it's a bit sad that we gather on these occasions, but in hindsight, it's good because we get to know each other, our kids get to know each other, our grandkids, and I was saying to my siblings last night, you know, we've got to treasure these moments because our parents are getting older now. You know, we don't have wrong with them or with each other. You know, the word says that we don't know when we're gonna die. You know, man is born once, and then comes judgment. You know, so when you live your life, you know, just remember that, you know, you've got plans to do what you do in terms of your business, your family life and whatnot, but you don't know when the Lord's going to take you. So, you know, be wise and be joyful, enjoy your family, enjoy this time on earth that you've been given, but just remember that one day we'll face God, so life's short. So yeah, I just want to thank the Lord and thank the Lord for our family and this opportunity and for our auntie here. So yeah, thank you.